Happy holidays, guys! So today we have 360-degree cameras, all from Insta360, because if you're looking for a 360-degree camera, then look no further but stick to Insta360, because they are obviously a dominant player in 360-degree camera market, and they constantly come up with updates on firmware to make the already good camera great. As you know, I have a fair amount of experience in testing out all these three cameras. So if you're looking for a new 360-degree camera, then you've come to the right video, because I'm gonna give you a complete guide into which 360-degree camera is best for you. If you're looking for a professional 360-degree work, yet portable, then you must consider Insta360 One RS 1-inch edition. As you can see, the lens on this 1-inch 360 edition, it is co-engineered with Leica. So this 1-inch edition, which has superior technology, but it is literally just a bigger brother of X3. The size is actually not that different. It's just slightly bigger, but it is packed with bigger sensor, which means this camera would be more suitable if you're doing professional work such as VR tours. For example, if you're in the business of property, you can definitely make it stand and tour around the house, because indoor, of course, it's not as bright as outdoor. This is a bit of an extreme setup because I only have room light on, no YouTube light, but you can actually see that X3 does have more noise than 1-inch 360-degree camera. And now I've turned on the YouTube light, and you can also see that 1-inch 360 is performing a little bit better than X3, especially in the wall at the top corner. But even if you want to use it in indoor, definitely make sure that you do have as much light as possible to get the best result. And these are some of the picture examples, and you can really notice that One RS 1-inch 360 edition performs much better. How about in the outdoor? In the late afternoon where the sun is going down, so it is slightly darker. You can see that 1-inch 360 has a slightly brighter lens, and I'm just going to enlarge the video so that you can see a little bit more detail with 1-inch edition. So this camera does come at a higher price tag, about $300 more than X3. However, even with the higher price tag, you definitely cannot get any other camera that has the same technology and can do whole 360 degree and very easy to process. And it just comes in this little pack and with softwares all included in Insta360, either official website for the PC software or in the Insta360 app on the mobile phone. It is super simple to edit. So yes, if you want to do the high quality 360 degree work for your clients, paying clients, or you want to do the VR tour or construction site monitoring, then this is highly recommended. However, mind you, because it is packed with so much technology, bigger sensor, better lens, of course you have to treat it a little bit more delicately. So this is not actually made as waterproof because it does come modular, because this is Insta360 One RS design. So this is the One RS core. So this is the extra battery, which does last up to 62 minutes if you take the 6K 360-degree video. Yes, this 1-inch edition, yes, it does take 6K resolution, 30 frames per second. That's the maximum resolution, and it can do so up to 62 minutes. And also it can take up to 21 megapixel 360-degree photo, which supports PureShot HDR. So of course with Insta360 One RS, you can actually do modular, so you can actually stick in other cameras such as this is a 4K wide angle action lens. So you can stick on different modules as this if you want. But this is not waterproof, it's just water resistant. So yes, splash is okay, but you don't want to dunk it in the water. For those of you who don't mind getting a bit dirty and wet, then you do have Insta360 X3 and also the twin edition. So Insta360 X3, it does go up to 10 meters underwater, so this is perfect if you want to go snorkeling and so on. I haven't done snorkeling because it's a little bit cold right now. I've dunked it in the water and it worked perfectly. With Insta360 X3, yes, it can be dunked under the water up to 10 meters. So action in the water, no problem. There's nothing under the sea, no coral, but just to let you guys know that yes, action underwater while you're snorkeling, or maybe, you know, shallow free diving. It's all doable. I looked rather funny in there in this big jacket, but it's extra warm, and not in the windy condition, but in actually a quiet condition. This Insta360 X3, the microphone worked really well. I think mic was actually an upgrade from the predecessors of other action cameras within Insta360. So Me mode now has frames up to 60 frames per second. So if you guys are action lover and you love taking Me mode just like me, you get to capture at 60 frames per second and slow it down. And the sensor size is not quite 1 inch, but it is still half-inch sensor, so it is very decent for action camera. And I love using Insta360 X3 under the bright sunlight because that's when it works the best. So if you're looking for a camera and want to definitely use a lot of 360-degree camera, then I think you should definitely consider X3 because it does have very good 360-degree quality, dual half-inch 48 megapixel sensors, 5.7K resolution, 360-degree video with active HDR, and also 72 megapixel 360-degree photo. But with X3, it's not just about 360-degree camera. It really does make life so much simpler because there is also basically a 4K action camera inside this camera. There is this single lens mode. With single lens mode, you enjoy 4K 30 frames per second, and for 60 frames per second, you do get the resolution of 3.6K. Because this is more suitable for action, yes, you can throw it around and also take the video of bullet time. The battery life, it does last up to about 80 minutes. So if you're mainly focused on 360-degree video, photo, then I think X3 is for you. Then where does Insta360 One RS Twin Edition fit in? Well, if you are more into the 4K, you know, not 360 degree, but flat action video, then yes, Insta360 One RS Twin Edition is what you should consider. So Insta360 One RS series, it is for modular design. So of course it can enjoy the 360-degree camera, and the quality of the Twin Edition is actually comparable to X3. The cool thing about the Twin Edition is, of course, being a twin, you can go for the 4K wide angle lens. And yes, 4K wide angle lens, the quality would be better than what you would find in the single lens mode of X3. So this 4K boost lens, being modular, it can be stuck on the One RS core, and it makes the camera really versatile, and you can enjoy the standard 4K action camera features. So it does have half-inch 48 megapixel sensor, and it can take up to 4K 60 frames per second wide angle video, and you can enjoy active HDR and 48 megapixel photo. The Twin Edition, it does come with a mount, which means you can actually enjoy, you know, those standard selfie stick or the invisible selfie stick from Insta360, or you can even enjoy the GoPro mounting system. So you can use your GoPro, the existing mounting system. You had some really old versions of GoPro, but now you want to also try out 360-degree camera, then I think Twin Edition may be perfect for you. So we're really spoiled for choice with all these 360-degree action camera that can also do the 4K standard action shot as well. So I hope this video gave you some answer to which camera would be most suitable for you, and I'll come back with other interesting gadget reviews. So please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and see you!